don't go chasing waterfalls. But definitely take some sexy selfies if you're by one in a bikini. While most celebs tend to go on the most jealousy-inducing vacations, a few of them have also enjoyed exotic locations with beautiful waterfalls. For instance, Ashley Graham, 30, took a picture in a gorgeous leopard print swimsuit while striking a pose next to a flowing cataract. Meanwhile, Bella Hadid, 21, shared a pic of herself wearing a sexy bikini as she enjoyed a waterfall along with some friends, and our wanderlust has never felt so strong. Seriously, this is some serious vacay goals. But the waterfall pics don't top there. In addition to Bella's sexy pic, Kourtney Kardashian, 39, managed to wear a tiny bikini when she was in Hawaii, back when she was with Scott Disick. In addition to her swimwear, she also played it safe by wearing a life preserver. While their relationship didn't last, the two of them were all smiles that day in the water. Ariel Winter also was. Caught smooching Levi Madden in a steamy photo right by a gorgeous waterfall a year after they started dating. There's truly no better way to celebrate an anniversary, in our opinion. But they're not the only ones to take pictures by some epic cascades. Not to be outdone, not only has Rihanna enjoyed some time by a waterfall, but she also took off her top completely. Emily Ratajkowski also posed for a sexy bikini pic by a waterfall for a Sports Illustrated swimsuit issue. While you try to decide which waterfall you'd like to frolic around, check out all the celebs who have taken pictures near waterfalls in our gallery above.